How to install Windows 11 step by step, 0% to 100%. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teach Skill Academy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to install Windows 11 from start to finish. This tutorial is designed for beginners and can be followed whether you are installing Windows 11 on a physical computer or inside a virtual machine such as VMware Workstation. By the end of this lesson, you will know every step required to complete a clean installation of Windows 11. 0%. Boot from the Windows 11 installation media. Before installing Windows 11, make sure you have already created a bootable USB drive or attached the Windows 11 ISO file to your virtual machine. Restart your computer or start your virtual machine. If you are using a physical computer, enter the boot menu, such as F12, F9, Escape, or another key depending on your computer manufacturer, and select your USB drive. If you are using VMware Workstation, power on the virtual machine and it will automatically boot from the ISO if it is connected. When the message, "Press any key to boot from CD or DVD," appears, press any key. Windows Setup will begin loading the installation files. Please wait until the Windows Setup screen appears. 10%. Select language, time, and keyboard. The first Windows Setup screen allows you to choose your regional settings. Select a language to install, a time and currency format, a keyboard or input method. For example, a language, English, United States. A time, English, United States. A keyboard, US. After selecting your preferred settings, click Next. Then click Install Now. 20%. Start the installation. Windows Setup will prepare the installation. This may take a few moments. Please wait until the product key screen appears. 30%. Enter the product key. If you purchased Windows and have a product key, enter it here and click Next. If you do not have a product key, click I don't have a product key. You can activate Windows later after the installation is complete. 40%. Select the Windows edition. Choose the edition you want to install. Available editions may include a Windows 11 Home, the standard edition for home users. It includes all essential features for everyday tasks, gaming, web browsing, and entertainment. A Windows 11 Home N, same as Windows 11 Home, but without multimedia technologies such as Windows Media Player and some media-related apps. Mainly available in Europe. A Windows 11 Pro, designed for professionals and small businesses. Includes all home features plus BitLocker, remote desktop, Hyper-V, group policy, and domain joining. A Windows 11 Pro N, same as Windows 11 Pro, but without multimedia features like Windows Media Player and certain media technologies. Intended for the European market. A Windows 11 Education, built for schools, colleges, and universities. Includes advanced security, management, and educational features for students and educational institutions. A Windows 11 Education N, same as Windows 11 Education, but without built-in multimedia technologies and media applications. Available primarily in Europe. A Windows 11 Pro for workstations, designed for high-performance workstations. Supports advanced hardware, large amounts of RAM, faster file systems, refs, and enterprise-grade performance for demanding workloads such as video editing, 3D rendering, engineering, and scientific computing. Choose the edition that matches your Windows license. Click Next. 50%. Accept the license agreement. Read the Microsoft Software License Terms. Check. I accept the Microsoft Software License Terms. Then click Next. Without accepting the license agreement, Windows Setup cannot continue. 60%. Choose installation type. You will now see two installation options. Upgrade. This option keeps your files, applications, and settings. It is mainly used when upgrading from an older version of Windows. Custom. Install Windows only, Advanced. This performs a completely clean installation. For new computers or fresh installations, choose Custom. Install Windows only, Advanced. 70%. Select the installation drive. Windows now displays all available storage drives and partitions. If your drive is brand new, you will see Drive 0 unallocated space. Simply select it and click Next. If your drive already contains partitions from a previous Windows installation, you can a delete old partitions, a format existing partitions, a create new partitions, or extend partitions. Warning: deleting or formatting a partition permanently removes all data stored on it. Always back up important files before proceeding. Once you have selected the correct partition, click Next. Windows will automatically create the required system partitions if necessary. 80%. Installing Windows. Windows setup now begins copying and installing the operating system. During this stage, Windows will copy Windows files, prepare installation files, install Windows features, install updates, if available, configure system settings. Depending on your computer's performance, this process may take between 10 and 30 minutes. Your computer may restart several times. This is completely normal. Do not press any keys when the message "press any key to boot from CD or DVD" appears again after the restart. Let Windows continue from the hard drive. 90%. Windows out-of-box experience, OOBE. After the installation is complete, Windows starts the out-of-box experience, OOBE. This is where you personalize Windows before reaching the desktop. Country or region. Select your country or region. Click Yes. Keyboard layout. Choose your keyboard layout. For most users, US is the default option. Click Yes. Second keyboard layout. Windows may ask whether you want to add another keyboard layout. If you need another language, click Add Layout. Otherwise, click Skip. Network connection. If your computer is connected with an Ethernet cable, Windows may connect automatically. If you are using Wi-Fi, select your wireless network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Click Connect. If you see Skip, some Windows editions display one of the following options. A sheep. I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. If one of these appears, click it if you want to continue without an internet connection. If Skip does not appear, on newer versions of Windows 11, especially Windows 11 Home and recent releases such as 24H2, Microsoft may require an internet connection. If the skip option is missing, you can either connect to the internet and continue with a Microsoft account, or use the OOBE bypass method. Press Shift or FDs. A command prompt window opens. Type OOBE /bypassnro. Press Enter. Your computer will restart automatically. After restarting, repeat the setup until you reach the network screen again. Now you should see, I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Select that option to continue offline. Note, Microsoft occasionally changes the Windows setup process, so this method may vary in future versions. Name your device, if displayed. Some Windows versions ask you to name your computer. Enter any name you like. Click Next. Microsoft account. If connected to the internet, Windows asks you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email address, a password, then click Sign In. If you are installing Windows offline, create a local user account instead. Enter a username, a password, optional, a security questions. Click Next. Create a PIN. Windows asks you to create a PIN. Click Create PIN. Enter your preferred PIN. Confirm the PIN. Click OK. Privacy settings. Windows now displays several privacy settings. These include a location services, a Find My Device, a diagnostic data, a inking and typing, a tailored experiences, a advertising ID. Read each option carefully. Enable or disable them according to your preference. Click Accept. Additional setup. Windows may display optional setup screens, such as a restore from another PC, a OneDrive backup, a Microsoft 365 trial, a Xbox Game Pass, a Windows backup, a phone link, a Copilot features. You may accept these options or choose Skip, Not Now, or No Thanks, depending on what appears on your screen. 100%. Windows 11 Desktop. Windows now completes the final configuration. You may see messages such as Getting things ready. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your computer. Please wait patiently. After a few moments, the Windows 11 desktop will appear. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 11. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have completed the installation of Windows 11 from 0% to 100%. In the next lesson, we will learn how to install VMware tools, if using VMware, install device drivers, check Windows Update, activate Windows, install essential software after installation. If this video helped you, please support Teach Skill Academy by a thumbs up sign liking the video, a speech balloon leaving a comment, a bell clicking the notification bell, a television subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.